Hey folks, my name is Court Whelan. I work with Natural Habitat Adventures based out of Boulder, Colorado, and we do a lot of sustainability stuff when it comes to travel. And so does ATTA. In fact, we've been working together for quite some time and we're taking that up a level continuously. And we're gonna be working together closely over the next little bit, helping you become more of a climate aware traveler. Something we're going to be posting frequently on social media platforms, talking about just what you can be doing to kind of up your own game when it comes to being a little bit more sustainable, a little more climate conscious, and a little bit more friendly to the environment when you're traveling. We all know that travel has to have emissions. We get it. You can't go somewhere exotic without getting on a plane or a boat or a car or a train. And sometimes those, well, almost all the times, those things have some sort of carbon emissions, right? So really the trick here is to figure out, what can we be doing beyond just not going to help improve the environment, to help lessen our impact, lessen our footprint. So stay tuned over the next little bit. We're gonna be sharing lots of tips and tricks, some personal experience from myself, other guides and other travel professionals around the field. And we're gonna kind of move forward together, brainstorm together on how we can make things even more sustainable in the world of travel. Thanks, stay tuned.